जब आपने मुझे कॉल किया मैं बिजी था इसलिए मैंने आपका कॉल रिसीव नहीं किया, लेकिन मैंने आपको 10 मिनट बाद कॉल किया लेकिन आपने मेरा कॉल रिसीव ही नहीं किया।
When you called me, I was busy, but I called you after 10 minutes. But when I called you, you did not receive my call.
Excellent यार, clapping for him. Wow. क्या आप बोलने के लिए तैयार हो?
Are you ready to speak?
आप कहाँ हो अभी?
Where are you now?
मैं अभी कोचिंग में हूँ।
I'm in coaching now.
क्या आप रोज पर्सोना आते हो?
Do you come persona daily?
ओके। क्या आप इंग्लिश सीखते हो?
Do you learn English?
क्या आप उस स्टूडेंट को जानते हो जो वहाँ बैठा हुआ है?
Do you know the student who is sitting there?
सर मैं उस स्टूडेंट को नहीं जानती,
Sir, I don't know the student.
लेकिन मैंने उसे 1-2 बार क्लास में देखा है।
Can this work be done within 2 days?
मुझे नहीं लगता इस काम को
I don't think this work can be done within 2 days.
इंग्लिश बोली जानी चाहिए।
English should be spoken.
बोली जानी चाहिए।
English must
मैं
be
बोल रहा
spoken.
हूँ।
I am
मैं
speaking.
बोलना चाहता
I
हूँ।
want to
मुझे
speak.
बोलने का मौका दें। So everyone, today we have a competition in this class, and with me some students are sitting over here, and I'm going to ask them some sentences based on various topics, and we'll see how these students are going to translate these sentences from Hindi to English, and we'll see their performance practically. And you know what about persona? It is said that in persona students are they work like translator. So today we'll see practically how they are going to translate each and every sentence confidently and speedily without making any mistake. So today students, let me know, are you excited to speak? Yes! Wow, you guys are looking excited today, no doubt. And you know what about persona? It is said that here students don't hesitate. Is it right? Yes, sir. So are you ready to speak confidently? Yes, sir. Really? Yes, sir. Sachi muchi? Yes, sir. So rahe ho? Yes, sir. Jag rahe ho? Yes. So we have first participant Tayyab. Tayyab, you are looking very excited today.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So can I ask you anything?
Yes, sir.
Today I'm going to ask you some sentences based on a relative pronoun.
Yes, sir.
Okay. On relative pronoun, you just have to speak, and I know you can translate. Can you translate?
Yes, sir.
करो जो कुछ भी आप कर सकते हो.
Do whatever you can.
Do whatever you can. जो कुछ भी आपने बोला मुझे सब कुछ समझ में आया.
Whatever you spoke, I understood everything.
Okay. मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ.
I want to speak.
मुझे बोलने दो.
Let me speak.
जो कुछ भी आपके पास है वो आपका है, जो कुछ भी मेरे पास है वो मेरा है.
Whatever is you have is yours, and whatever is I have is mine.
Whatever I have is mine. Whatever you have is yours.
Yes, sir.
सुनो.
Listen.
सुनो जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ.
Listen what I am saying.
क्या आप उस लड़के को जानते हो जो बाहर खड़ा हुआ है?
Do you know the boy who is standing outside?
मैं उस लड़के को नहीं जानता.
I don't know the boy who is standing outside.
Okay, fine. क्या आप उस लड़की को जानते हो जिसके पास ब्लू कलर का बैग है?
Do you know the boy who has?
क्या आप उस लड़की को जानते हो जिसके पास ब्लू कलर का बैग है?
Do you know the girl who has
ब्लू कलर बैग.
blue color bag?
मैं उस लड़की को नहीं जानता.
I don't know the girl.
आप कहाँ हो?
Where are
अभी
you?
आप कहाँ हो?
Where are you now?
मैं अभी पर्सोना में हूँ.
I am in person now.
So you claim that you can translate any sentence confidently.
Yes,
Can we
sir.
have the rapid fire round?
Yes, sir.
You know, in the rapid fire round, you will not get the chance to think. You know what?
Yes, sir.
So everyone, we have Tayyab. Let's see how fast he is going to speak. मैं जा सकता हूँ.
I can
कुछ गया.
I went.
मैंने देखा.
I saw.
मैं समझता हूँ.
I understand.
आप बोल सकते हो.
You can
आप सब
speak.
कुछ बोल सकते
You can
हो.
speak
क्या सब
everything.
कुछ बोल सकते हो?
Can you speak everything?
क्या सब कुछ बोला जा सकता है?
Can everything be spoken?
Can everything be spoken? That's great. Clapping for him. Wow. So what I am telling you, if you are translating any sentence from Hindi to English, just listen the sentence very carefully. You know what? Let's know what she's going to say. Yes. What's your name?
My name is Anshika Sharma.
Anshika Sharma. And Anshika, you claim that you can translate anything confidently.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Today we have discussed the relative pronoun. Can you translate the sentence based on relative pronoun?
Yes, sir.
And also the passive voice. Can you speak?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to ask you some sentences based on passive voice. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You just have to speak. Okay.
Yes, sir.
इस काम को किया जाना चाहिए.
This work should be done.
Okay. English बोली जानी चाहिए.
English should be spoken.
English बोली जा सकती है.
English can be spoken.
Okay. प्राचीन भारत में संस्कृत बोली जाया करती थी.
Sanskrit is used to be spoken in ancient time.
संस्कृत is or used to be.
Sanskrit used to be spoken in ancient time.
Okay, संस्कृत बोली जानी चाहिए.
Sanskrit should be spoken.
English बोली जानी चाहिए.
English should be spoken.
बोली जा सकती है.
English can
आप
be
कहाँ
spoken.
हो?
Where
आप
are
क्या
you?
चाहते
What
हो?
do you want?
आपने क्या बोला?
What did you spoke?
What did you spoke or what did you speak?
What did you speak?
Okay, आप क्या चाहते हो?
What do you want?
मैं कुछ नहीं चाहता.
I don't want anything.
Okay, मेरे पास सब कुछ है.
I have everything.
सब कुछ बोलना आसान है.
Everything is speak. Everything is easy.
Everything is easy to speak.
Everything is easy to speak.
आप कहाँ हो?
Where are you?
आप क्या हो?
Who are you?
Who are you? What you are?
What you are?
Okay, आप क्या चाहते हो?
What do you want?
आप क्या कर रहे हो?
What are you doing?
क्या इस काम को 2 दिन में किया जा सकता है?
Can this work be done within 2 days?
मुझे नहीं लगता इस काम को 2 दिन
I
में
don't
किया
think this work can be done within 2 days.
इंग्लिश बोली जानी चाहिए.
English should be spoken.
English बोली जानी चाहिए.
English must
मैं
be
बोल रहा
spoken.
हूँ.
I am
मैं
speaking.
बोलना चाहता हूँ.
I want to
मुझे
speak.
बोलने का मौका दें.
Give me chance to speak.
Okay, आपके पास मौका है बोलने का,
You have chance to speak,
लेकिन आप बोल नहीं रहे हो.
but you are not
जो
speaking.
कुछ भी आपने बोला वो 100% सही है.
Whatever you spoke is 100% right.
जो कुछ भी आपने बोला मैं सुन नहीं पाया.
Whatever you spoke, I couldn't listen.
I couldn't speak. क्या बोलने के लिए तैयार?
Were you ready to
क्या
speak?
बोलते हो?
Do you
क्या
speak?
बोलोगे?
Will you
क्या
speak?
सुन रहे हो?
Are you
क्या
listening?
सुनोगे?
Will you listen?
Will you listen? Okay, Anshika, I want to know in which class do you study?
Sir, recently I have promoted to class 9th.
Okay, you have done your 8th.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and how many percentage have you got in 8th class?
Sir, I got 92.63 in 8th.
Okay, you are the topper.
No, sir.
You are not the topper.
No, sir.
You are happy with the percentage that you have got?
No, sir. I
Is
want
it right that girls can never be happy with the percentage that they get?
Yes, sir.
You know, even after getting 99 percentage, they still cry. They still start crying because they could not score the 1 percentage.
Yes.
Is it right?
Yes,
And they
sir.
don't know that in 99 percentage, 3 boys can easily pass. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So value your percentage that you have got.
Yes, sir.
Okay, clapping for her, everyone. You must have seen that you know these students are translating without making mistake. But today we are just going to take them to the next level. Students, I'm going to go for the rapid fire round. Are you ready for the rapid fire round? Yes, sir. Really? Yes, sir. The students who are going to participate in the rapid fire round, raise your hand. Yes. For the rapid fire round. Wow. Let's know. Yes. What's your name?
So my name is Arnav Singh.
Arnav Singh. Arnav,
Yes.
you have raised your hand for rapid fire round.
Yes,
Do
sir.
you know the rules of rapid fire round?
So we have to speak within a second.
Yes, we have to speak within second. Means you will not get the chance to think.
Yes, sir.
You know what? So
Yes, sir.
everyone, we have Arnav Singh today for the rapid fire round, and we'll see how fast he can translate. मुझे जाना है.
I have to go.
आपको कहाँ जाना है?
Where do you have to go?
मुझे नहीं पता मुझे कहाँ जाना है.
I don't know where I have to go.
Okay, मैं सोचता हूँ.
I
मैं
think
बोलता
I
हूँ.
speak.
मुझे बोलना पड़ेगा.
I have to speak.
I
I will have to speak.
बोलो जो कुछ भी आप बोल सकते हो.
Speak whatever you can.
Speak whatever you can. जो कुछ भी आपका है वो आपका है.
Whichever is yours is yours.
Whatever is yours is yours. Whichever is yours is yours.
Yes,
जो
sir.
आपने बोला वो सही है.
What you spoke is right.
मैं नहीं सुन पाया.
I could not
मैं
listen.
नहीं बोल पाया.
I could not
मुझे
speak.
बोलने दो.
Let me speak.
आपने मुझे बोलने ही नहीं दिया और आपने अगला सवाल पूछ लिया.
You did not let me speak and then you asked the next question.
आप क्या चाहते हो?
What do you want?
मैं कुछ नहीं चाहता.
I want nothing.
मैं सब कुछ जानता हूँ.
I know everything.
I know everything. Now these translators can translate anything without stopping. Let's see. ये मेरा बैग है.
This is my
मेरे
bag.
पास बैग है.
I have bag.
मुझे बोलने दो.
Let me
मुझे
speak.
जाने दो.
Let me go.
मैं जाऊंगा.
I will
मैं
go.
नहीं जा सकता.
I cannot
क्या आप जा
go.
सकते
Can
हो?
you go?
क्या आप जाने के लिए
Will-
तैयार हो?
are you ready to
Are
go?
you ready to go? आप कहाँ दे?
Where were you?
आप कल कहाँ दे?
Where
आप
were you
क्या चाहते
yesterday?
हो?
What do you
क्या आपने
want?
बोला?
Did you
क्या आपने
speak?
सुना?
Did you
क्या सुन
listen?
रहे हो?
Are
क्या
you
सुन सकते
listening?
हो?
Can you listen?
Can you listen? Okay. जो कुछ भी आपने बोला वो सही है.
Whatever you spoke is right.
मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है.
I don't
मुझे
have
जाना
time.
है.
Let-
मैं
I
जा
have to
रहा
go.
हूँ.
I'm
आप कहाँ
going.
जा रहे हो?
Where are you going?
Where are you going? मैं इंदौर जा रहा था.
I was going to
जब
Indore.
आपने मुझे कॉल किया मैं बिजी था.
When you called me, I was busy.
जब आपने मुझे कॉल किया मैं बिजी था इसलिए मैंने आपका कॉल रिसीव नहीं किया. लेकिन मैंने आपको 10 मिनट बाद कॉल किया लेकिन आपने मेरा कॉल रिसीव ही नहीं किया.
When you called me, I was busy, but I called you after 10 minutes. But when I called you, you did not receive my call.
Excellent here. Clapping for him. Wow. You know what I am telling you, when you are completely focused, then the chances are there that you are not going to make any mistake. So be focused, be active, put your efforts and listen these things very carefully. Once again, I'm going to ask you a few more sentences.
Yes.
आप क्या चाहते हो?
What do you want?
आपने क्या बोला?
What did
क्या
you
आपने
speak?
बोला?
Did you speak?
क्या आपने सुना?
Did you
आप क्या
listen?
सुनते हो?
What do you
आप क्या
listen?
सुनना चाहते हो?
What do you want to
जो
listen?
कोई भी स्टेज पर आएगा वो इंग्लिश सीखेगा.
Whoever will come on the stage will learn English.
क्या ये पॉसिबल है कि जो कोई भी स्टेज पर आएगा वो इंग्लिश सीख जाएगा?
Is this possible that whoever will come on the stage will learn English?
सब कुछ पॉसिबल है.
Everything is
देखिए
possible.
जब आप स्टेज पर आते हो तो आप कॉन्फिडेंट बनते हो.
Listen, when you come on the stage, you become confident.
वाओ यार, that's great. Clapping for him once again. How are you, Khwahish?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay, everyone. Today we have Khwahish, and let me tell you, she studies in 4th standard, right?
Yes, sir.
This year you have been promoted in 4th.
Yes, sir.
And are you enjoying your summer vacation in Persona?
Yes, sir. I'm enjoying my summer vacation in Persona.
Okay, that's great. And Khwahish, when do you come here?
Sir, I came here in the.
No. I'm asking about when do you come here every day?
Sir, I come at 4 o'clock and go to 6 o'clock.
At 6 o'clock you go at your home.
Yes, sir.
Okay. At 2 hours you attend the class regularly.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Khwahish, I want to ask you some sentences. Can you answer my questions?
Yes, sir, I can answer.
Okay. करो जो कुछ भी आप कर सकते हो.
Do what you can do.
Do what you can do or do whatever you can do.
Do whatever you can do.
बोलो.
Speak.
आपको बोलना चाहिए.
You should speak.
मैं बोलने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ.
I'm trying to speak.
Okay. मैं सुन रहा हूँ.
I'm listening.
मुझे सुनना पड़ता है.
I have to listen.
मुझे बोलना पड़ता है.
I have to speak.
मैं बोलना नहीं चाहता.
I don't want to
मैं
speak.
लिखना चाहता हूँ.
I want to write.
मैं पढ़ाई करना चाहता हूँ.
I want to study.
मुझे पढ़ाई करने दो.
Let me study.
क्या पढ़ाई करने के लिए तैयार हो?
Are you ready to study?
Are you ready to study? क्या आप बोलने के लिए तैयार हो?
Are you ready to speak?
आप कहाँ हो अभी?
Where are you now?
मैं अभी कोचिंग में हूँ.
I'm in coaching now.
क्या आप रोज परसोना आते हो?
Do you come persona daily?
ओके. क्या आप इंग्लिश सीखते हो?
Do you learn English?
क्या आप उस स्टूडेंट को जानते हो जो वहाँ बैठा हुआ है?
Do you know the student who is sitting there?
सर मैं उस स्टूडेंट को नहीं जानती.
Sir, I don't know the student.
लेकिन मैंने उसे 1-2 बार क्लास में देखा है.
But I saw him in class 1-2 time.
ओके. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? कपल ऑफ टाइम. I
Couple
have
of
seen
time.
him in the class couple of times. Okay. वो irregular स्टूडेंट है.
He is irregular
वो
student.
2 दिन से एब्सेंट था.
He was absent. He have been absent for 2 days.
He has been absent for 2 days. वो यहाँ नहीं आता है.
He don't come here.
He don't or he doesn't.
He doesn't come
Okay.
here.
आपको यहाँ आना चाहिए.
You have to come.
You should come here.
You
आपको
should
बोलना
come.
चाहिए.
You should speak.
मैं बोलता हूँ.
I
मैं
speak.
बोल रहा हूँ.
I'm speaking.
मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ.
I want to
मुझे
speak.
बोलने दो.
Let me speak.
Let me speak. मुझे जाने दो.
Let me go.
मुझे पढ़ाई करने दो.
Let me study.
क्या पढ़ाई कर रहे हो?
Do you study?
Are you studying?
I study.
Okay, चलो that's great. Clapping for her everyone. Yeah.